तो बच्चों मस्ती छोड़ो और पढ़ना शुरू करो. Yes, this is a big and great message not only for the students of classes 10th and 12th, rather for all the students of all the classes, because the examinations of all the classes in all the schools fully depend on the exams of classes 10th and 12th board. So now a big news has come from the CBSE itself that the examinations of classes 10th and 12th are going to be conducted in the year 2021 at the scheduled time only. Yes, you can see here CBSE has issued this framework and significant guidelines in the context of secondary and senior secondary certificate examinations. So here is the circular that has been issued by the CBSE. This is the valid proof which I'm providing to all of you, and you can check the date that this circular was issued by the CBSE on 1st September 2020, and it was sent to all the principals and head of the institutions which are affiliated to the CBSE. So now there are no speculations, no doubts left whether the board exams will be conducted or not, because now full stamp has been provided by the CBSE, and you can see that these secondary and the senior secondary examinations are definitely going to be held. So next I'm going to tell you the dates of the exams and the dates of results also. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it immediately. So next we will see that the CBSE board has provided all the details. Like you can see that this is a very long circular. It's not possible to show the whole circular, but some parts I have tried to show you. Like they have given the dates of verification of marks and obtaining photocopy of answer books and everything. Means this is the planning for the next year. So it's a big deal. So all of you need to be serious now. So now you can see that the CBSE has announced that the exams of classes 10th and 12th 2021 are going to be held from 15th of Feb. So this is a big news, and the result will also be declared in the month of May only. So it is as it was earlier, means no changes there in the schedule of CBSE. So I think those students who have changed their schedule, keeping in mind that online classes are going on and this and that, so keep all excuses aside and try to find out your books and start paying attention to them, because now not much time is left. This is the high time. September is also going very fast, so start studying. This is the only message which I can give as a teacher. So all of you be careful now and start paying attention to your online classes, start doing your assignments, because from next year your examination schedule is also going to change, and definitely big changes are going to happen. So all of you just keep all these things in mind. So I think I have provided you all the information related to it, and do share this video with others also, and do subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video. So thank you all of you.